CTRL plus A select all. CTRL plus B bold the text. CTRL plus C copy. CTRL plus D bookmark the page in browser. CTRL plus A display address bar in Internet Explorer. CTRL plus F find any file, folder or text. CTRL plus G go to function in MS Word or MS Excel. CTRL plus H open history in Internet browser. CTRL plus I make text italic in MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. CTRL plus J open downloads in Internet browser. CTRL plus K insert hyperlink in MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. CTRL plus L text justification in MS Word. CTRL plus M make new slide in MS PowerPoint. CTRL plus N open the new application window in Internet browser. CTRL plus O open a file. CTRL plus P print a document or picture. CTRL plus Q close Microsoft PowerPoint. CTRL plus R reload the page in Internet browser. CTRL plus S save any document. CTRL plus T open a new tab in Internet browser. CTRL plus U underline the text. CTRL plus V paste. CTRL plus W close a program, window, tab or document. CTRL plus X cut any text, image, video. CTRL plus Y redo the command. CTRL plus Z undo the command.